Hey, I'm Levi with Aerie Vans, and today we're going to be going over your ventilation system in your Aerie van. Let's talk about the fan. It comes with a remote with a quick slide attachment. If you don't want to secure this down anywhere permanently, you can put magnets on the back and attach this anywhere on your cabinet or any metal surface in the van. If you're laying in bed and you can't get to the clicker, we have manual operation here on the fan with these buttons here. And this knob here opens the fan as well. For the fan maintenance, first thing we can do is take off the screen on the front by undoing these 4 knobs on the top. Once we have the screen off, you can clean this with any cleaning solution or water. Before reinstalling the screen, make sure it's completely dry. For cleaning the interior of the fan and the blades, you can use a damp cloth to clean the blades and around the blades as well here, or you can use a can of air. Every 6 months, you want to be checking the sealant on the top of the fan as well to make sure there's no cracks, no holes, or no leaks in through the top of the fan. You also want to be checking that as before you take it out on a long trip, or if it's been in storage for a while. For reinstallation of the screen, you place the screen back up into where the 4 notches are, here. Then for the knobs, make sure the knobs are facing in towards the fan to lock the screen in place. And that's all the maintenance you need to do and everything about our fan in the Aerie van. Thanks for watching our video, and make sure to like.